You tell them to turn off the TV, but they don't. You tell them not to throw the ball in the kitchen, but there it goes, bouncing off the countertop. You tell them to stop being so rough, but they continue to punch and kick. It's frustrating, annoying, and sometimes leads to you exploding and you rage out in ways that you regret later. But we need to remember, they're kids. They lack impulse control, and it's kind of like their job to test boundaries. And it's our job to create those boundaries and then maintain them. They will push back on the boundaries that we set, and sometimes they'll just try to tear them down altogether. We need to expect it, which will actually help us keep our cool when it happens. And then we just need to stand firm. They're doing their job, testing boundaries, and we need to show up and do our job, calmly maintaining those boundaries. That may mean going in and turning the TV off on your own, or taking the ball away, or kind of blocking them off so they can't continue to hit. There will be whining, tears, tantrums. Again, expect it. It's normal. You're both just doing your job.